welcome back to the channel, everybody. Truck of the day. I know you're getting tired of seeing these 2024 Denali Ultimate GMC. This one's getting a 4-inch Cognito lift with some 35-inch Nittos and some 20-inch fuel wheels. It's going to be a pretty awesome looking truck when it's done, but still a good daily driver. I think if I was doing one of these trucks, if I spent this much money on one, I probably wouldn't go crazy big with it, just to prevent, you know, the daily drive stuff, like going through drive-throughs and going in parking decks and things like that. This truck won't be crazy tall once it's done, but it'll still have the good stance. You know, you'll be able to tell it's not stock. I wanted to pinpoint the I love the headlights on these trucks. Check it out. Well, I love that. It's amazing. He already had the fender flares color match black. He did the tinted turn signal covers from Recon. So it's gonna be pretty tight when it's done. The Denali Ultimate is ready. to go. Customer got here early in the morning, about 9 a.m. and here it is about 4 o'clock this afternoon. We're ready to go. We did the 4-inch Cognito lift kit with the Fox Reservoir shocks with it. Upper control arms look pretty sharp on there too. Very nice gloss black little subtle cross member there with the Cognito badge on it. All the angles look very, very nice on this lift. Did the Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. This is the 35, 12, 50, 20. The wheels are called the Fuel Flame in a 20x9. We did this so we wouldn't have to trim a whole bunch on the truck. Really, really turned out cool.